So as of the beginning of October of 2022, I've made around $500,000 TikTok dropshipping. And today I'm going to be revealing the truth on how to get to numbers like that. So basically I want to go over my story, the pattern that I noticed that you need to implement in your business to succeed with TikTok ads, how you can implement it, and basically why TikTok is easier than all the other ad platforms. So basically, I started in the beginning of March of 2022 because I was forced to start, not because I wanted to. I was doing extremely well on Snapchat ads with a lot of low ticket offers. I made around $250,000 there, closer to like 200,000. Yeah, I mean, that pretty much got like the ball rolling. That also made me figure out like, you know, how to really do e-commerce in the terms of like media buying. Snapchat just gave me a good idea of, you know, what sells. I was actually banned on Snapchat because of the low ticket offers that I was running. They were basically these offers called free plus shipping. That's where you price the product at $0. So the majority of the people who go onto your site will add the product to cart, go to checkout. I would charge like $12, $13 for shipping. And that's where I would make, you know, my profit. And basically all of the ad platforms that I know of do not like free plus shipping. So they caught on to it a couple months into me doing it, and they banned me. I knew it was coming. You know, it was just a matter of time. But basically after that happened, my buddy Chad, he was running up TikTok ads very, very hard. He had been doing it since around August, September of 2021. And we started making stores together. And the first product that we ran did super well. Basically just took the Snapchat strategies that I had, you know, the low ticket offers, and I implemented them on TikTok. They pretty much did just as well as they did on Snapchat. So we ran up around 4 products to make $500,000. The first 3 made around 150,000, probably like more closer to like 170,000, and then the 4th product made around $320,000. So basically the pattern that I noticed that you need in order to, I guess, get to the level of, you know, making that type of money is that you need to be extremely consistent on how many campaigns you make and how many creatives you make. And that needs to be a lot of campaigns and a lot of creatives. So I first noticed this kind of early on with my first product, because in order to keep it at the scale that we wanted to, I needed to make around 9 new creatives per day. And that would give us around 3 new campaigns to test per day.
We used 3 creatives per campaign,
because all of the old campaigns would die after about 2 days of running.
TikTok ads do not optimize. They're not like any other traffic source where over time, like, you know, your campaigns keep on getting better. It's really weird. They'll just die like all of a sudden. But they are extremely easy to scale.
That has been like the rule of thumb for me, just keeping, you know, like a consistent flow of like 9 creatives per day and 3 campaigns. And that typically gives us consistent, you know, 1 to 3K a day results. Obviously, if you want to scale higher, you make a lot more creatives per day. You know, we've hit 10, like a lot of 10K days, a lot of 5K days. And we've hit a 25K day. That was with my 4th product. But that's what I noticed to be the main, you know, defining factor of you succeeding or not on TikTok. That's if you have a winning product. So how you can implement this into your business. I mean, it's pretty straightforward, but what you want to do is just consistently test products all the time. Preferably 1 a day if you really want to you know, succeed. Once you have a winner, you want to be consistently making new campaigns every single day.
Momentum and just keeping the ball rolling in terms of creating new campaigns and new creatives is extremely important. We had a product that we ran for about a week consistently. It was doing like 1.7K a day, and we didn't make creatives one day, and it just completely stopped working. So to have those, you know, consistent like 30, 50K months, you have to make creatives and new campaigns every single day.
Because you're going to notice that campaigns die very quickly, and, you know, the TikTok ad account is just very finicky, as well as its pixel. Same thing with the creatives. You just want to make 9 per day. I typically will do 9 per day if I'm doing 1K a day, 12 per day if we're doing 2K a day. 12 creatives per day usually holds up until like 10K a day, and then you need to make a lot more creatives if you want to do more than 10K a day. There's obviously a lot more limitations, you know, to be able to do 10K a day.
Before you scale to 10K a day, you want to make sure that you have tested all the offers that you can for your product. So you've tested like buy one, get one free, buy one, get one 50% off, buy one, get two free, all this stuff, and make sure that you find the most profitable one. And then you want to add a bunch of upsells to your store. So each conversion will give you like the most money possible, and then you scale.
You have to have the right mindset, obviously, because making that many creatives and, you know, monitoring your campaigns and your ad account can be very annoying. All of this sounds like a lot of work, and it is, don't get me wrong. The work isn't as hard as the work that you need to do to succeed on other traffic platforms. Why? Because TikTok, you can literally just throw up like 20 products, 15 products, and one of them is going to work, and then it's extremely easy to scale from there. As opposed to Snapchat, I basically had to like maneuver, you know, my way and find like what types of products worked, because like, for example, like high ticket products on Snapchat do not work at all. And on Facebook, it's a different story. You need to do like a lot more market research and stuff like that to like, you know, have a like a good winner. But on TikTok, yeah, like I said, you can just run anything and it'll typically work. So all it really takes for you to succeed on TikTok is just having a very, very, very consistent routine.
For anybody watching this video who's in the stage that nothing is working, you have to keep on going. Trust me, it gets amazing. Okay? You have to keep on going. It's like, it is one of the best feelings ever when you get to the stage where, you know, you're making consistent money and you don't have to worry about the stuff that you used to worry about in the past. And I don't know, man, just keep on going. You got this.
If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like. It helps me a lot. Leave any comments down below if you have any questions, and you know, subscribe
If you like this type of content.